Hello everyone, today we will introduce how to use cursor to analyze the distance of store locations. In this video, we will use convenience stores as an example, including 7-Eleven, Family Mart, High Life, OK Mart, and PX Mart. In the end, we will produce a convenience store distribution map like this. This tutorial will break down the process into 5 main steps, including cursor preliminary works, collect data, collect icon, collect latitude and longitude, crawl and get results. We will guide you through it step by step. Cursor preliminary works. Search for cursor on Google. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that helps developers write, debug, and optimize code faster and more efficiently. Click and download it to your desktop. As you can see, cursor is now on your desktop. Click it open and we will move on to the basic functions and settings of it. Now, let's focus on the basic settings of this tutorial. Click the second button on the top left corner to create a folder and name it as Chrome Map to store new files. Then, create a new file in it and name it as jingwei.py. Don't forget to end each file that contains code with .py. If not, an error will occur. In addition, make sure all the new created files in this video are placed in the same folder. Next, find Terminal at the bottom center of the screen. Type pip install pandas and pip install folion and click Enter on your keyboard to install new packages to your cursor. Now, we are going to show you the basic functions of cursor. You can see a big black space in the center of the screen. This is where you are going to type your code. Whenever you think your code is ready, you can always click on the triangle button on the top right corner to run and check the correctness of your code. All the other codes appearing in this tutorial can be found in the listed Notion link in the pinned comment below. Let's dive into the 5 main steps of this tutorial. Collect data. Search for 商工行政资料开放平台 data.gcis.nat.gov.tw on Google. You will have to scrape data from 5 different websites to gather the information of the 5 main convenience stores, including PX Mart, which is time-consuming. Thus, in this video, we are using the data that has been collected by the Administration of Commerce, MOEA, Minister of Economic Affairs of Taiwan. Use the shortcut Ctrl+F to find 全国5大超商资料集. Click and download the CSV file. Collect icon. Since we are going to show all 5 different stores in the final result, we will need all their specific logos to make them easy to visualize. Search for each of them on Google and download them to the same folder as the previous files. Collect latitude and longitude. As you enter the file, you can see that there are many information of each branch. However, there is no latitude and longitude showing the exact location of each branch. Hence, we will have to change the category 地址 into address of the original file. In order to feed in the code to send requests to the same website and receive the response, which is the latitude and longitude of the specific address. Paste the code from Notion. In line 6, it shows the website that you are going to send requests to in order to receive the information of line 25 and 26. Since the term TQDM has been written in the code, you can clearly see the process of the transition. The name of the output file is set on line 70. Make sure the previous CSV file that you downloaded from 商工行政资料开放平台has the same name as the one on line 83. Also, remember to place the file in the same folder as the code. When everything is ready, click Run on the top right corner to start running the code. It may take a while since there are more than 20,000 datas. Wait until the processing addresses below reach 100%. You can check if the numbers on the bottom right of the screen are always changing. When they are, it means that the code is still processing. Finally, you will see a new file named jingwei.csv created in the same folder when the process is completed. Go to the folder and open the file, jingwei.csv. You can see that both latitude and longitude are added to each address. Crawl and get results. After collecting the latitude and longitude, we can pass the Create Distribution Map code from Notion. It is important to note that the icon file names must match the file names in the code. Otherwise, an error will occur. And you can set the map center by changing the latitude and longitude according to your location. In this video, we use the entire range of Taiwan as an example. After completing the above steps, click Run on the top right corner to start running the code. Once executed successfully, an HTML file will be saved on the left. Due to the large amount of data, the generation will take a bit longer, and the process may be slightly laggy. The above situations are all normal. When the next line terminal appears, it means the execution is complete. You can open File Explorer on the computer and double-click to open the completed HTML file. The opening process will also take some time. Finally, we can see the icons of the 5 convenience stores displayed on the map of Taiwan, which indicates success. The above mentioned are steps to use cursor to analyze store distances. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the teaching assistants. Thank you for listening.